Welcome back to our channel, Dangote Reviews. Leave a like on this video if you enjoy it and subscribe to our channel. We just got monetized, so we are starting to ramp up things. This is the 2009 Toyota Ractis, and that's what we're going to be reviewing today. It's an interesting car, very compact, nice for people who live in the city. I have the key right here. Let's go in and see.
With a cab weight of 1.5 ton, the Ractis 1.5G has a naturally aspirated inline 4-cylinder engine. This engine uses petrol and it is able to produce 109 brake horsepower and a maximum torque of 140 Newton meters. The power is transmitted to the road through the front wheels and through a 4-speed auto CVT gearbox. This car is a compact 5-seater which also comes with 5 doors. The car is beautiful, simple to maneuver around the city, and it's fit for young drivers.
The 2009 Ractis is one of those cars that you're going to be seeing on the roads a lot because it is compact, it is beautiful, it is not that expensive, and the young people love it. Look at these lights. Lights to die for. I like the logo. It's just an R but designed in a different way, and it makes it look really different and premium. So this is how the general look looks. The general look is let us see the side. So on the side profile is also as simple as you see the car here, and let's check out the back. You see the mirrors here, they have the blinkers, which makes it really beautiful. And at the back, this is how the Ractis looks. Just simple but really elegant. Ractis. Okay, so now let's check out the internal, and we see how beautiful it is and if it is to your liking.
At this point the audio cut out, so I'm going to do it freestyle. Now here we are seeing the controls for the power windows on the door of the driver, and we can see that when the key is inside the car does not need the key to be inserted because it is push to start. That is the button that you just push and the car starts, and you can also switch it off using the same. Now at this point I start in the car, close the door, and I'm going to show you a good compartment to keep your keys right there. Okay, so now let's review how the inside looks. That is the dashboard. The car was not on because the battery had been removed since it's in a bond, so we couldn't see how the dashboard looks, but I think you can get a clear view of the simple dials that have been provided for the driver just in front of the driver, so very easy to see. I just like the overall view of the front here of this dashboard, and that curve just gives it a whole beautiful view. And now we look at the center console where we have the climate control right there, and then we have our media controls through the screen, and then we have our gear selector there. As you can see, we have the speakers in the doors and small door bins with a cup holder as well. Yeah, so the car is really compact. Most of the things have been provided. As you can see in the center here near the driver, there's not a lot of storage, just simple cup holders, and the overall view is really good. Let's check out the storage. The glove compartment, not a lot of storage. Down here also not a lot, just simple to keep your documents and enjoy the front of the car. I like this storage on the side here. It's good for driving permits and coins, some notes of money.
Few controls here for the lights, for the headlamps. You can adjust how high they are or how low they are facing, and this is a convenient feature because when you're driving, you don't want to be shining headlamps into other drivers, the oncoming traffic. So that's perfect. Let's go to the back and see how this car looks from the back. It is such a simple car that the legroom is not so much, the headroom is just sufficient, but the view of the front is really, really beautiful. Look at that. So compact, so beautiful, so nice. I like the color of these seats. It really makes the car bright on the inside. I love it. And on the doors at the back, there isn't much happening, just the power control. There's a small door bin with a cup holder there. The cup holder acts as the door bin. And then we have a speaker right here. And that is all at the back. That is absolutely all. There isn't much to see here at the back. Good thing we have grab handles here on all the 4 doors. You see, even the driver has one. It's not common to find a car with one or with a grab handle for the driver. It's not really common, but it's nice. It's nice. When we check the date of manufacture, we shall see here that it is 2009. 2009. Okay, let's check out the boot. Okay, before we go to the boot, this is the armrest here. It has no cup holders. It is just as simple as you see it. So the only cup holders available to the passengers are the ones in the door bins. But this is how the boot space looks. Just under that cover there's a space for this cover. There's space for a spare wheel. And when you put this back, this is the boot storage. It is simple, it is small, and it's just sufficient. So that is the Toyota Ractis for you, 2009 model. It is simple, it is beautiful, a perfect car for you if you have a small family, or you just want a car that will take you to from point A to point B. Thank you for watching. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's make it great. Let's make Dangote reviews great. Thank you. Bye.